Okay guys, today we're going to do a science experiment and then talk about art that goes along with the science experiment somewhat. It'll be interesting. We'll see if y'all can do art. I'm not sure if that'll work or not, but we'll see. We'll attempt to do it. If it works, yay. If it doesn't, okay. Now, the experiment is going to talk a little bit about density and fat and how fat, when it breaks down, the liquid becomes less dense. So the first thing we're going to do, we have all of our things out here. First thing we're going to do is pour some milk into a plate. Sounds kind of weird, huh?
Yeah. Oh, that looks
Usually in
so...
bowls or cups.
Look
Okay.
at that, that looks so good.
So
Pop
we
the little
poured,
bubble.
it'll pop. We poured some milk
Kinda looks
into
like-
the plate.
It kind of looks
Now,
like blue,
it does a little bit look
just
like
with a bubble.
All right, each of you take one of the food coloring colors and squeeze 1 or 2 drops. Okay,
Almond pennies.
either way, just do it beside.
Oh, that yours
Okay,
looks really cool.
now get the red and each of you put 1 drop somewhere.
It doesn't matter.
You don't have to put it on top of each other.
Oh,
That's kind of funny.
That's
looking. Do
weird.
it around the bubble.
oh, I want beside
Okay.
it.
Yeah, you.
I
Now.
do too.
Now move those back so that we don't accidentally knock them over and get food coloring on the counter.
That'd be
You
bad.
don't have to move them all the way over there, but you know. Okay, now I want each of you to take a Q-tip and I want you to dip it in that. That is dish soap. You can just like kind of swirl it around and get it all over the Q-tip. Oh, the bubble popped.
Oh, yay!
That's weird. It looks like a nose
that's
or
good.
something.
I kind of wipe it
Oh.
off so it's not drippy.
Yeah, I just want like this.
Okay. Now I want you to hold it straight up and down. Back up a little bit so I can tell you what to do. I want you to hold it straight up and down, facing down, and touch the milk with it. You
And
can touch.
just
Whoa,
enough?
stop. You can touch on the food coloring, or near the food coloring, or just anywhere on the milk. Both of you.
Oh! That is cool. Did I just keep on going?
It looks kind of like a flower.
Whoa.
Look at it bubbling.
Oh, look, it's
Okay,
turning
so-
green.
That's weird.
Oh, look at that.
Wait, stop.
You
Yeah,
know
it's
how the food coloring was just sitting in the spots on the milk at first?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's because the milk has fat in it, okay? And so the milk was more dense than the food coloring, so the food coloring just kind of sat there, okay? And when we put the soap in it, the soap actually breaks down the fat. Stop swirling it. Don't swirl it on purpose.
I did a line.
Mm-hmm.
Wait.
Okay, stop for a
That's
second.
It made
Just stop
purple.
for a minute. Okay. Here, let me get another plate for y'all to put your
Q-tips.
Q-tips on. There you go. Now, listen. The milk has fat in it, okay? And so it's more dense than the food coloring, okay? That's why the food coloring at first was just sitting there, because it was kind of basically floating on top of the milk. Well, the dish detergent, it breaks down the fat in the milk. Does that make sense so far?
Yeah.
Okay. And when it breaks down the fat, it allows the food coloring to be able to move.
It
It
made
allows it to be able to mix in.
I made a lot
Look
of
at
different
that.
colors.
Look at
I made
that.
like
It
a
looks like-
light
it
blue,
looks like
dark
a
blue, a
rock.
purple,
It makes
red, pink,
Now,
green.
what we're going to try to do is make art with this.
Oh,
I
my.
want one of you to take this paper and just gently, don't push down, just sit it on top of, make sure it's touching, but sit it on top of the,
I don't know where it's touching.
I don't know either.
Just until you feel it. I'm guessing
Yeah,
that's...
That's probably good. Now pick it up and see if any of the color got on. Oh,
Oh.
it kind of did.
That's cool. Can I try?
Yeah.
If the paper was
Okay,
smaller,
I was about to say,
the
let me
bigger-
cut up the paper. Okay, now we cut our paper up into smaller pieces so it can fit on top of the milk.
And you can see when it's.
So go ahead, Penny. Just lay it down and then try to pick it up gently.
Ready? Oh.
This one. Flip it over. It's
Oh.
almost like dyeing Easter eggs.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that is so pretty.
Here, lay it down on this paper here. Evie, you want to do one?
And then I want to do another one because it went
Well,
like all over.
hold on. We're going to talk about some other things.
Look what it did.
That's really
Oh,
pretty.
that's really pretty.
Pretty.
Evie's looking for the pretty spots. Oh my, that is so
Oh,
pretty.
that's cool.
I want to see.
Okay, lay yours down.
It can move.
Because it's just sitting on top of it. Okay.
I can make
Now,
different designs.
we're going to go talk about a piece of art. The painting we're looking at today is called Blue Atmosphere. And it looks very similar to what y'all just did, right? With the milk and food coloring. Okay. So I'm going to ask y'all some questions. First, I'm going to give you information. The name of it is Blue Atmosphere. It was made in 1963 by Helen Frankenthaler. It's acrylic stain on raw canvas. So in other words, they use paint just on canvas to do this. So, do you guys remember what cool colors and warm colors are?
Kind of.
Can you tell me?
Well, it's like cold, like it's cold. Like a blue is like cold,
Okay.
and like red is hot.
Okay.
Yellow is hot, purple.
Okay, yeah. So colors that make you think of cool things: water, trees, grass. So greens, blues, those are all cool colors. And things that make you think of hot stuff, so like the
Red.
sun or fire, those are warm colors. So which cool color and which warm color did Frankenthaler use the most?
Blue and red.
Yeah.
I think blue and red.
Wait.
It's a pretty good guess.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's not much in it.
There's not like any yellow or really any.
What other warm color can you find?
The
Yellow.
Yep, there's a little tiny
Surrounding
bit of
red.
yellow around the red.
Yeah, there's a little tiny bit. Like it's so thin.
Now, they called this painting Blue Atmosphere. Helen Frankenthaler did, the person who made it. What would you name this painting?
Colors.
I would
Colors.
probably name it like hot and cold.
Hot and cold?
Seasons.
Seasons?
Oh yeah, that's good.
That's a good one. Now, does knowing the title change what you see?
No.
No.
No?
A little
Okay.
bit.
Do y'all remember what the atmosphere is?
No.
All the planets and stuff.
Well, the atmosphere is the air and everything surrounding the earth.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
It does now.
So you might see some clouds or maybe
Yeah,
water. Part of
like
the
the-
atmosphere is made up of water.
Because the blue is like water and the white is like the air.
Okay. Now, you know how sometimes we look at clouds and try to make pictures out of them?
Yeah.
Okay, can you look at this painting and see anything? Like make a picture out of the painting?
The whole painting or
Well, no, just like a part of it, just like seeing a cloud.
Well, the blue at the bottom kind of looks like a tank from an army or something.
A tank
A tank. From
Okay.
what?
from the army.
Oh yeah.
Okay, what
it
about
kind of
you,
looks like
Penny?
a train to me.
A train.
And like
Oh,
the yellow,
yeah.
it's like little things.
Okay, I can see a train. Anything else?
Ah.
It kind of looks like the red up top, like right there, looks like an animal if you turn your head, or it looks like a bear, just like
Like
Oh.
if you turn it this way?
If you turn it all the way
Or if
upside
you turn it this
Oh
way?
yeah.
like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
No.
And if you turn it all
Oh,
the
so
way
it
upside
looks like a
down,
bear or
if you
something?
turn it
Yeah.
upside down, it kind of looks like rocks.
The eyes are the yellow part?
Yeah.
Yeah, if you turn it upside down,
Like-
it kind of looks like rocks.
Like this upside down or
Yeah,
like this upside,
upside down. Like
This?
Yeah, it kind of looks like rocks.
Okay, like rocks
And then
down
there's
there.
a little nose over your thing.
Yeah.
It looks
Very good.
like a robot. That like pink.
Yeah, it does.
Okay. Now, your rating of this painting. Do you like it or do you not like it? Thumbs
like
up or
it.
thumbs down?
What if this means good? Wait. Yeah. I'm kidding. What if this went bad and this went good?
That would be weird.
That'd be so weird. It's like opposite day.
All right. Now, you guys, what pictures do you see in our painting, Blue Atmosphere?
I see